everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am so excited to be doing this video because I've just literally got my hands on the Rare Beauty Selena's favourites. But before I get into all of that, kindly hit that subscribe button and that like button. I'd love it to have you all here. So I know I said I wasn't going to be buying any more makeup, what have you, because, you know, we're moving, I'm decluttering. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll put a link up here to some of them that might be of interest. But when I was looking up about Rare Beauty, I kind of really liked the company's ethos. So basically 10%, I think it's 10%. Anyhow, a percentage of everything that she sells goes to a mental health charity, which I think is so good. I also liked the way she designed the products, that they are for easy access for those who maybe have sensory issues or have, you know, mobility issues with their hands, and they're not able to actually grip a flat top bottle, so they have these little round tops on them instead. I just thought it was really, you know, kind. I know obviously she's in it for the money like everybody else, but just these little things make a difference. And I'm not usually one that buys, oh, the newest high-end thing. I wait for it to be discounted. And to be fair, I did get a very good discount. I went on to Space NK, and if you're a first-time customer with them, which I was, you get 15% off your first purchase online. So that is what I did. I only bought the small little Selena's faves, which is this. So basically you get 4 mini products, which is fine by me. Like, you know, I'm moving, I don't have all this space in the world for everything. And in it you get a small little mascara, which when I was watching her, I was actually watching her talk about this, and she was saying that this mascara is literally for everybody, for those who have full lashes, those who have thick lashes, thin lashes, sparse lashes, small lashes, my category. And I was like, that sounds like an amazing mascara to me, because I have small lashes and they're a pain. Then this colour, I think it's just, what is it called? Let's see, it's a lip colour. It's called Inspire. It's just a little small little lipstick. I don't know too much about it. It's a liquid lip, I believe. Nice colour, nice summery spring colour. Then we get this little blush, which is called Joy, and I love that it's in such a cute little packaging. Now it is dinky, but as I said, like, if I didn't like it, then, you know, at least I haven't wasted too much money. Now I paid $24.65 for this. I think it's $29.99 or $29.95 when you buy it at full price, but again, I got my discount, so happy days. So check that out at Space NK. That was a very good offer. And I did check other places, but Space NK have the rights to it here in England, so I'm like, yay. And then I also got the liquid highlighter in Mesmerize, which is this one. Oh, it's such a cute little thing. So it's quite easy to grip. You know what I mean? I could imagine like somebody who's like got not much flexibility in their hands, and you could easily grab that. That's, instead of like something like this where you'd actually have to get into it. That's really well thought of. That's really well thought of. I like that. So let's get started, because I have to go and run for the kids now in a minute. So I'm going to try and do a Valentine's look using just these products. So something really, really simple, really, really quick. I haven't set my base. I have cream bronzer on. I've just done my brows concealed, and that's about it. My skin is shocking these days. And me being the greedy pig that I am, I'm after burning my lip and my chin and the top of my nose, because I was eating pizza, and it was such a good pizza. And I made it, and I went to eat it, and the cheese literally slid off, and it was mozzarella and cheddar, and it just went zoop, zoop, zoop. And yeah, so my mouth is all burnt. Such things. But anyhow, let's get into this. So I'm going to start with the liquid blush first, because I kind of want to finish my face. So this is in the shade Joy. So let's see if it brings me joy. Okay. I like the shade. It's very cute. Okay, darlings. Ooh, very pigmented. Mother of God. You need to work quick with that. That is beautiful. That is such a nice liquid blush. I have never tried a liquid blush before, because I always was afraid that they would I tried one years ago, I lied, and it was from a different brand, and literally, you know, I used to do like 3 dots here and 3 dots there, and by the time I get around to like, I'd blend this one, and then by the time I get around to this one, I'd have 3 permanent spots. So it kind of turned me off ever looking for liquid blush again. Very, very sheer, but very natural. I really like that. It's very Selena. I like it. And I like her as well. There's something nice about her. I remember her from her days in Barney. Giving away my age. So now let's try the highlighter in Mesmerize. Okay, so the highlighter, oh, it looks like glass, doesn't it? Again, a very natural highlighter. I love the glass-like effect of it. It's absolutely beautiful. I like that. It's very simple, but it's yet very nice. Now let's try the liquid lip. This one is in the shade Inspire. So it's got quite a souffle feeling to it. Oh, that's a really nice colour. I like that. Now I'm also going to do something else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of this on an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use it as a little bit of eyeshadow. I'll just blend it in.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Thank you, baby.
What is it?
So I just did a quick little wash of the liquid lipstick over the eyes, and just to give it a bit of something something. Now I'm going to try the mascara. That's what the wand looks like.
What is that?
Now let's try this. So I'm just going to put a little bit of blush, a little bit more blusher on because I like a little bit more.
What's that? What's that?
Hoping this doesn't dry down too quick. Ah! And with liquid blushes, as with mousse blushes or anything else, it's not powder. Stipple it in. It's the best. It's the easiest. Oh, I never actually spoke about the mascara. I love it. It definitely grabbed every little lash. The only thing I didn't like now about it was that I found some of it actually like went on to my actual eyelid, but that might have been just me being clumsy. But it definitely did grab them. I feel it's given me more volume. My eyelashes are still soft to the touch, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I really like that look. It's a really simple, really easy Valentine's Day look for $24.95 or $24.65, whatever it was, I can't remember. But really, really, you know, easy. Little swipe of stuff. Now, I would say make sure you set everything. Hold on. Okay, you can't see. I would say make sure you set everything with a bit of translucent powder. And, yeah.
What's that?
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty girl? Who's that pretty girl? Let me kiss. Give mommy a kiss. You can't give mommy a kiss. Oh, thank you. Oh, you got lipstick. Oh, you got makeup. Look, you got makeup. Look and see, she got some makeup. Oh. That's how we give lipstick in my house. Oh, what are you gonna do? Huh? Tap tap. Oh, lovely. Yeah. You know I'm just going to look fabulous, darling. Thank you. Okay, folks, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's a short one when I edited it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I definitely give the Selena Gomez stuff a definite thumbs up from me. Get a thumbs up from you. Get a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love you all. See you soon. Bye. Mwah. Bye.